22 asks us to identify the sets of numbers that are Pythagorean triples. So basically, we do the same thing that we did for 21. We use the Pythagorean theorem. If they're Pythagorean triples, then the left side is going to equal the right side. So I always just use type 1 just because it's the most commonly used, trying to find the hypotenuse. Remember, number 2, the hypotenuse is the longest line. So the hypotenuse is going to be 40 squared. A and B can be 24, 32, it doesn't matter. 24 squared plus 32 squared. 40 squared is 40 times 40. 4 times 4 is 16. And then there are 2 zeros. 24 squared is 24 times 24, which is 576, plus 32 squared is 32 times 32, 1024. So we need to add this right side. If it equals this side, then it's a Pythagorean triple because 24, 32, and 40 are all whole numbers. So that meets the criteria for Pythagorean triple. Now we need to see if left side is equal to right side. So we go 576 plus 1024, and we get 1600. So is it a Pythagorean triple? Yes, it is a Pythagorean triple. Okay, so that is a Pythagorean triple. B, let's try B. B has numbers 11, 15, 24, which are all whole numbers once again, but we need to see if it fits into the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C squared again, longest line, 24 squared, equals 11 squared plus 15 squared. 24 squared is 24 times 24, which is 576. 11 squared, 11 times 11, which is 121. 15 squared is 225. So 576, does it equal 121 plus 225? No, it does not. So it does not equal, not a Pythagorean triple. So this one's yes, this one's a no. Let's try C. The numbers for C are 25, 60, and 65. Okay, same formula, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Largest line is the hypotenuse, so 65 squared is equal to 25 squared plus 60 squared. 65 squared is 65 times 65, which is 4,225. 25 squared is 25 times 25, 625. 60 squared, 60 times 60, 3,600. So we go 3,600. And we add 625. Does it equal 425 or 4,225? Yes, it does. It's 4,225. Left side is equal to the right side. Therefore, yes, it is a Pythagorean triple. So now we've got two, A and C are Pythagorean triples, B is not. So let's see what D falls under. D is numbers 5, 8, and 9. Again, we're filling in type 1. You can do type 1 or type 2. I just find type 1 is the easiest for myself. They should both have left side and right side equal. Hypotenuse is the largest, which is 9 squared. A and B are 5 squared and 8 squared. 9 squared is 81. 5 squared is 25. 8 squared is 64. So we go 25 plus 64, we get 89. Does that equal? No. So not a Pythagorean triple. And that is number 22.